Welcome to the Canvas 11. This move-in ready home is available in our Canvas on the Bluffs gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and sits on a prime corner lot. This gorgeous modern farmhouse features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Let's go take a look inside. As you step through the entry, you'll walk into this open concept living space that combines a spacious great room with this dining area and this stunning bright white kitchen. Plus, your steps from a 12-foot sliding glass door, allowing for tons of natural light. This kitchen features a large kitchen island perfect for entertaining and has white quartz countertops. You'll find an entire wall of white cabinets, a gorgeous marble tile backsplash, and Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, including this 5-burner gas cooktop, dishwasher, and microwave. Plus, you have a corner step-in pantry. Let's go find out what's upstairs. Once you're upstairs and you make your way down the hallway, you'll pass by a spacious laundry room that connects you to this incredible master suite. And your steps from a true oasis. This master bathroom features quartz countertops throughout, white cabinets, the perfect vanity for getting ready in the mornings, this oversized step-in shower, a large tiled-in tub, and my favorite feature of all, this incredible walk-in closet. And just off the top of the staircase, you have 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. And to top it off, this home even features a fully landscaped backyard. This Canvas 11 move-in ready home is located in our Canvas on the Bluffs gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch, and it's just up the street from the gorgeous community park. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Plus, it includes some amazing designer features and upgrades, including window coverings and a fully landscaped backyard. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.